Today, we will talk about how to organize your garage on a budget. Let's have a look at the details. For many people, the garage is more than just a place for parking a car. If you're in the habit of using your garage for a tool store, a safe space for snow skis, or as an overflow attic, things can get out of control quickly. Fortunately, you can learn to address the mess, get the proper organization tools for the job, and choose a method of organization that works best for the stuff you've got. The first step is getting started. Commit to a bigger mess. Cleaning out and organizing a garage can be a messy process in itself, requiring you to nearly empty out the space and evaluate what you've got to work with. Depending on the clutter and the junk pile up, it can be a quick afternoon of tidying or a long weekend project requiring a couple of trips to the hardware store. Clean out the drawers, the shelves, and the storage units, and start over. Start making piles. When you're getting started, pair like items with like items. How you choose categories will depend on the stuff you've got in your garage, but you might pair automotive tools with automotive tools, yard tools with yard tools, and sporting goods with other sporting goods. For an easy start, you can get more specific as you start organizing. Distinguish between usable and unusable items. If you've got a cluttered garage, it's important to get rid of anything broken, useless, or unnecessary. Doing so should reduce your amount of clutter significantly and make it easier to organize what you need more effectively. Get rid of the useless stuff. Whatever you end up putting in the unusable pile, get rid of it as soon as possible. Don't take it to the dump next time you get around to it. Do it right now. Clean up all the usable items. After evaluating all the usable items, clean them up as well as possible. Don't put away dirty tools, muddy soccer cleats, and otherwise compromised gear into new, neatly organized places. Spend time committing to clean. The second step is getting the right storage gear. Choose visible storage for frequently used items. One of the easiest ways to maximize the space in your garage is to get items like storage hooks and wire baskets, which can be mounted onto the walls wherever it's convenient for your access. Buy some plastic storage tubs for sporting goods, seasonal decorations, and other loose stuff that needs to be grouped together. Buying some plastic tubs can be a great way of organizing. Hang some new shelving units. If space is at a premium, consider installing some shelves or buying some prefab shelving units so you can increase the storage space in your garage. Consider some standing tool chests. If you're a big tool collector, consider investing in a tool chest or some more substantial toolboxes to help keep your collection organized and arranged properly. And the third step is getting organized. Separate all the items according to their purpose. Categorize your items in terms of use and separate them appropriately. Consider storing items according to the most frequently used. Put the stuff you don't use often toward the back or the more difficult to reach spaces of the garage. If you hardly ever go golfing, you would want to place your clubs behind other things that you use more often, like the lawnmower or your socket wrenches. Consider organizing items seasonally. You may also want to make seasonal adjustments in your garage, so you can rotate summer and winter items accordingly. You probably won't need your snow blower during the heat of summer, so you can schedule yearly reorganizations to keep your space in the most optimum arrangement for the season. It doesn't need to take more than a few minutes. Label everything clearly. Finally, you can prevent a lot of frustration by properly labeling storage bins or anything that you have to open to access items. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel if you like our videos.